Hi everyone! Stuck with an abundance of green onions at home and unsure of how to use them? I have an idea for you. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy recipe for green onion pancake that is perfect for breakfast or as a tasty snack. This pancake is savory, light and absolutely delicious. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Let's combine half cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt to taste, pinch of ground black pepper, pinch of turmeric, and pinch of powdered chili pepper. Or you can use any spicy of your choice. Next, add half cup of water and mix everything together. For this pancake recipe, we'll need 1 bunch of green onions, as well a mix of parsley and dill. Chop up 1 cup of the green onions, parsley and dill. And add them to the bottom. Give it a good stir to evenly the ingredients. Now heat a pan with some oil. Once the pan is hot, spread all over the butter evenly and cook over medium heat for about 2 minutes on each side or until the pancake turns a beautiful golden brown color. You can use a spatula to flip it, or try flipping it in the air like I do. It's a fun technique, but be careful, it's so hot. Once the pancake is cooked, it's ready to be enjoyed. I like to serve it with a side of fried eggs for a satisfying breakfast. However, feel free to get creative and serve it any way you prefer. And there you have it, a delicious and simple recipe for green onion pancake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.